The keel-billed toucan, also known as a sulfur-breasted toucan or rainbow-billed toucan, is a colorful Latin American member of the toucan family. It is national bird of Belize. The species is found in tropical jungles from southern Mexico to Colombia. It is an omnivorous forest bird that feeds on fruits, seeds, insects, lizards, snakes, and small birds and their eggs. Toucans range in size from 130 grams and 29 centimeters to 680 grams and 63 centimeters. Their bodies are short and compact. The tail is rounded and varies in length from half the length to the whole length of the body. The neck is short and thick. The wings are small, as they are forest-dwelling birds who only need to travel short distances, and are often of about the same span as the bill-tip to tail-tip measurements of the bird. Toucans have zygodactyl feet, 2 toes face forward and 2 face back. Because toucans spend a large portion of time in the trees, this helps branches of the trees and jump from one branch to another. Keel-billed toucans have a vibrant green bill splashed with orange, blue, and red coloration. Can grow to be over a third of the length of the bird's body. It is smaller for females, and though it may look cumbersome, it is incredibly lightweight. Their body is covered in black feathers with a white rump and red undertail, with yellow on face and breast. The skin around their eyes is green, and their legs are blue. Keel-billed toucans have zygodactyl orientation, 2 toes in front and 2 in back, to aid in climbing branches. Like many toucans, keel-billed toucans are very social birds, rarely seen alone. They fly in small flocks of approximately 6 to 12 individuals through lowland rainforest. Their flight is slow and consisting of rapid wing beats, then a glide with the bird's beak extending forward and dipping downward as though pulling the rest of the bird. Their feet are drawn up forward in flight. The flight distances are typically short. They live together in groups, often sharing cramped living quarters of holes in trees. There is a family structure within the group. Birds often deal with each other using their bills and throw fruits into each other's mouth. They play ball, one throwing a fruit in the air and the second seizing it. Keel-billed toucans are crepuscular, which means they are most active in mornings and evenings. They sleep in hollow trees, sometimes with 5 or 6 adult toucans, together in one sleeping spot. Toucans are generally social birds, living in flocks of up to 22 individuals. They rarely fly long distances due to their short and heavy wings. Instead, they hop from branch to branch when feeding on items such as berries and insects. The bird will grasp the food with the tip of its bills, quickly flicks it into the air, catch it, and then swallow it whole. Their large beak allows them to pick fruits or pluck eggs from basket nets and is serrated to give them a better grip. The diet of keel-billed toucans consists mostly of a wide range of fruit, but may also include insects, eggs, nestlings, and lizards. The bill, surprisingly dexterous, allows these toucans to utilize a large variety of fruit that might not otherwise be reached. When eating the fruit, it uses its bill to dissect the fruit, and then tosses its head back to swallow the fruit whole. The female kill-billed toucan will lay 1 to 4 white eggs in a natural or already made tree cavity. The male and female shares in the carrying of the eggs, both taking turns incubating. The eggs hatch approximately 15 to 20 days after being laid. After hatching, the male and female again take turns feeding the chicks. When the chicks hatch, they have no feathers, have their eyes closed for approximately 3 weeks. The chicks have adequately formed heel pads, which assist on the pit-covered bottom of the nest. The chicks stay in the nest for approximately 8 to 9 weeks while their bills develop fully and they are ready to fledge from the nest. Kill-billed toucans are primarily monogamous. The male and female toucans take turns incubating the batch for 16 to 20 days. Chicks typically leave the nest around 32 to 47 days after hatching.